This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the trunk release lever next to the driver's side door sill. Open the trunk, then unscrew and remove the trunk carpeting fasteners on the side of the bulb being replaced. Peel back the carpeting to allow access to the bulbs. To remove a bulb holder from the taillight housing, rotate the holder counterclockwise and pull it out. Remove the bulb from the holder by pulling it straight out. Push the new bulb straight into the holder, then insert the holder into the housing while aligning the tabs. Rotate the bulb holder clockwise to secure it. Reposition the carpeting to its original position, then secure it with the fasteners.